Hey everyone, in today's video I will be showing you guys watching of how to use your Atome virtual card specifically in this video. So as per the name suggests, you can pay from anywhere and from everywhere in my opinion. And yeah, it works with all virtual stores. Another word for that is online stores that you can see on TikTok shop or Instagram websites or Instagram accounts that basically advertise their products. So to use the Atome virtual card to shop from multitude of online stores, meaning it works from everything. But the only exception it has if the store does not offer payments through Mastercard. So to use your Atome virtual card, you will need to offer payments through Mastercard. And yeah, the process is pretty simple. The process is pretty much the same as per any card you have often used or in the past used. So you will just enter your numbers, your security number, and yeah, and then you will get an email by your company of the Atome, this payment has been made to this site and this amount of money has been taken from your account according to this product that you have purchased. So yeah, so to only use the Atome virtual card, you will need basically the payment receivers to offer payments through Mastercard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this till the end. And the Atome is a very good application that offers an Atome card user guide, and they often what you want to say, they give you quick answers to your problems, and they have a very quick what you want to say, individual applies for an Atome card, and the application can max take 2 days to get submit or to get an answer for. And yeah, this is how you can easily do it. So the Atome virtual card is powered through Mastercard, and the process pretty much same as any card. So yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.